On this video, I'm going to show you the picture progression of renovating this old 1970s bathroom from this into this. Welcome to Projects with Steve. This is what the master bathroom looked like when we purchased the home. It is fairly original with most everything in it from the 1970s. The first thing our eye was drawn to in this bathroom was the large hanging pendant lights that made everything look very dated. The vanity is original and with just one single sink. The bathroom has a nice size to it with doors that lead to his and hers walk-in closets as well as a linen closet. The bathroom is open to the bedroom with the toilet area hidden around the corner. The hardwood flooring is throughout the bathroom and bedroom. Although it was still in very good condition, the coloring was not desirable to us, and we preferred to have tile in the bathroom and carpeting in the bedroom. I changed out the large, dated hanging pendant lights with sleek and slim LED fixtures that put out a lot more light. The white underlayment is the green E-board that can be purchased at Menards. This is an alternative to cement underlayment boards. It is water resistant, and I found it very easy to cut and install with thin set screws and mesh tape on the seams. For the tile, we went with 6x12 inch porcelain tiles that has a wood grain to it. This particular tile has a little different coating on top to provide about 50% more slip resistance compared to ordinary tile. I chose this since it would be outside our shower and I didn't want the floor to be slick. I think the tile turned out great and we love the color. I staggered the tiles by 1/3. The grout lines line up with the third row in front of it or the third row behind it. One of the things we wanted to achieve with this renovation was to go from a single sink vanity to a double sink vanity so we could each have our own space. For the double sink vanity, we went with a white cabinet. This particular cabinet gave me space to run the new water lines and drain lines inside the cabinet since we are changing the plumbing configuration from a single sink to a double sink. For the vanity top, we went with granite with white undermount sinks. I changed out all the doors and the door hardware in this bathroom and the rest of the house, from the flat slab doors to the two raised panel doors with an arched top. We went with dark oil rubbed bronze knobs and hinges. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with all the projects that I get into. This is what the upstairs hall bathroom looked like before we did a light remodel of this bathroom. We kept the vanity and the vanity top, but painted the cabinet and added new hardware. We removed the hanging pendant lights in this bathroom as well and replaced them with the same slim LED fixtures. We kept the old mirror, but I built a wooden frame for it out of simple pine wood. I stained and dry brushed the frame to give the finish a lot more depth and character. I also added L brackets to the corners for an additional touch. This is what our first floor half bath looked like. I ended up replacing the very small vanity with a much nicer contemporary looking vanity with a new faucet and mirror. I removed the old ceramic towel fixtures and patched up the drywall. I installed a new toilet as well as new LED lighting. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the before and after pictures of the bathrooms in our home. This video is just part of the series of videos I have on my channel showing the renovations we did to this 1970s home. Make sure to check out my video showing the before and after pictures of our kitchen renovation, and please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss a video and stay up to date with all the projects that I get into. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next project.